welcome to this group. And the topic of the day is, if you would like to become invisible for a day, what would you like to do? What are the things you wanted to do? And Shivam, you wanted to start? Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak in
Mm-hmm.
front of you all people.
Yeah.
So, my topic is if I get invisible for a day, then what will I do? So, I think this is a huge beneficial thing for me that if I get invisible in my life for a one day, then I will get to know about the people, how they feel about me, and what they think about me if I get vanished somehow. And then I will start treating people with accordingly they feel about me. It will get very beneficial for me for my future perspective also. So if like someone is like hit me in the back and speak very good words in front of me, then I will know that this person is like faking it every time. Then I will save my potential and also my time to not depend on that person, and will like treat him like what he think about me. And yeah, this is very like beneficial for me. It also save my time, my potential towards the people, and somehow in the future I will not get broken, and will also like give more time on my like more my like my things in my life which I want to achieve. So I will not distract from that type of people. So these are my thoughts about if I get invisible for a one day, sir.
Okay, thank you, Shivam, and I'll be adding more. And one more thing, I would like to know from you guys. You want the feedback on the call? Are you okay with the feedback if I give you the feedback about your speaking part or everything?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
You
Definitely.
don't have a problem if we
Yes.
discuss within the group?
No, sir.
Okay, all right. So Shivam, in anybody is having a problem with the feedback for the within the group, they can tell me through the message on Zoom. I will be sharing their feedback separately. Or anybody, those who are okay with the feedback within the group on the real time, and because while you will speak, I am just going to note it down. Okay. So if you feel that you wanted the feedback later, I'll give later. And if you're okay, within the group, then also it's okay. So Shivam is okay. All right. Who would like to go next? That if you become invisible, what would you like to do? What are the things which is coming in your mind that this is what I would bring on the table? Yeah. Please go ahead.
Uh,
I'm also
so,
recording
Joginder
this
sir,
for
can I
you.
start?
Yes, sir. Yes, Julinder.
Um, uh, Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my topic: if I am invisible, what can I do? So, first, thanks to God to give me this power. Will go to Elon Musk. We learn how to this person to manage in a 1 week all these things. Like he's a entrepreneur, designer, and a engineer. At that time, he's balance 4 to 5 company, or all these companies are very popular, like SpaceX, Tesla, Boring. So it's my opportunity. Then I will definitely go to sir and observe and analyze to sir doing all this doing all these company very well. So first I will learn how to manage the time. After that, I will go to my favorite actor Tiger Shroff to learn uh, how to manage his whole day for his fitness. I have listened and watched in a video so many times. He is very shy and very disciplined to our health. But I understand how to this person maintain our health. Because if I have done gym exercise, it is very difficult to manage our flexibility of our body. In our Bollywood actors, so many person are very fit, but flexibility is not maintained. So I think both of these things, this guy can manage. Then I will learn these things. After that, it's my always risky. I understand the whatever CM of state how they work. He always speaks in front of people. They are doing this. I'm practically sorry. I'm reality analyze work and how it is in CM. It actual we have analyzed our CM done so many work, but because of corruption, we have not achieved to facility what actually they are done. And lastly, with couple of time spent with my crushes, my childhood crushes, I am analyze how are they, and if I am not in what they are doing and how to survive without me. And thanks to everyone to listen me very carefully. Thank you.
How many crushes you have in childhood? Just kidding. Okay. So you said you have crushes. You have many?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Thanks. And Joginder, are you okay with the feedback in the group, or you wanted the feedback later?
Mm, yes, sir. Please repeat, sir.
You want the feedback of your speaking part and how to improve this in the group
Yes,
itself, or
sir.
you want later?
Uh,
Here
yes, I
in the
want to, sir,
in
in the
the
group.
feedback in the group, it's okay. Okay. Cool, cool, perfect. Thank you, Joginder. You have a lot of things to do. You want to do a lot of things from childhood to the adult life until US you reached. Okay, perfect. Good examples you've given. Okay, okay. I have noted down your feedback. I will then, once you all done, then I will be going ahead to tell you more about this power and how you can use it. All right, who is going to speak next? Joginder, you can mute till then. Yes, guys, who would like to speak for next? Vaishali, Aman, Ram, or Meenakshi?
Good evening, sir.
Hi, Ram. Good evening.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Ram Ratan Kaswan, and I want to speak on our topic, that is, if we invisible for one day, that what we can do.
Hmm.
Actually, if by chance I get this opportunity, then I would like to mostly play pranks on my friend, right? Actually, there are so many people they said if we get this opportunity, we would travel to European countries, USA, and those things. But I don't waste my time in these things, because we can do these things in daily life. We have only one day. We can do more useful things, like we can explore every secret place on earth, and we can enjoy all day by feeling of non-existence, right? And we can hear all the planning of our enemies they are making for us, right? And we can scare our friends, and these kind of things I would like to do.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we can add one more thing. Actually, this is a good opportunity to do that things we cannot do in every daily life. Got it? Yes,
Which
sir.
you cannot do in daily life, those things also. All right, all right. Okay, Ram, thank you, thank you. Go ahead. Okay, got it, noted. Yes, who is the next? Mr. India.
Uh, Hello, sir. May I speak now?
Yes, yes, please.
Hi, guys. My name is Aman Sir. And if I am invisible for one day, it will be very interesting day for me because it will be only for one day, and I will fulfill all my deeds if I want to do. It will be released interesting. First of all, I will travel around whole the world. I wish I go to Himalayas. I wish I go to the European countries. I can go anywhere without paying tickets, and I will travel in plane. Uh, and second thing, I will do pranks with my friends. I can beat them, I can slap them, I can do anything with them. If they cannot see me, I will do
Yep.
anything with them. Will buy expensive foods. Will visit. I can visit expensive places like Hyatt and JW Marriott. And one more interesting thing I want to do. Mm, I watch my kids what they are actually doing with their mobile phones. I will watch them. That's all, sir. That's all for me.
Okay, okay, perfect. Very interesting. Right, nice, nice, nice. Okay. You open for the advice, Aman?
You what, sir?
You open for the advices in the group, or you prefer to send you with the separate messages?
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to hear you.
Are you open for the advice and the feedback in the group, or you prefer the separate feedback for you, or you okay if I give the
No,
feedback
no, no,
of the?
no. Sir, you can give me feedback on the group also.
Okay, you open, right? All right, thank you. Sure. Who's next? Somebody is asking me.
Hello, sir. Should I
Hi,
say
Meenakshi.
something?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Very good, very good. How are you, Meenakshi?
I'm good, sir. Thanks for
Yes,
asking.
yes, very good. I see in your video the testimonial. It is a very wonderful
Thank
words
you.
you used it. It's nice, and I appreciate that you made the testimonial for
Th-
us.
Thank you so much,
Was
sir.
nice. The choice of words was good. The way you have, got that much confidence now that you can speak. You don't. I don't feel now hesitation in you. You have, got that. One few more things you can work on. Work on your. Increase the the speaking, the reading books kind of thing. The
Yes,
more
yes,
books you will read, the more thoughts will come to you. And also start copying the phrases which you see anywhere. If I'm using any phrases which you like, which you can implement, do that in a movie, in a Netflix series, or in an Amazon series, or on the news, or on the anywhere in the movie. Any
yes, sir.
phrase which you like, okay, it looks good, it is good, start copying those and understand the real meaning, and start using in the real life, so that your English will reach to the next level, like how they are using the tough phrases, all these things. Okay, I'll be
Okay.
sending, I have the data, I will be sending to you all. There are at least 500 phrases, which is not from us, but on the open social media platform from one of the renowned author by UK or US. They have made one PDF wherein you have phrases which you use in daily life. So you can go through with that PDF. Yes, topic of the day is the same. Yeah, go ahead. What is your thought on the topic?
Yeah, okay, sir. So today I'm sharing my opinion on the topic of one day invisibility, and I have a power of invisibility. Well, according to me, invisibility opens doors and creates the opportunity where none seemed to exist before. It seems an enormous advantage doing things we wish or need to do. I would like to do something interesting things like first thing I would want to do know that what the other thinks about me. So I use my invisibility and will listen others' thought one by one. And the second thing is that I could travel wherever I wish. And a part of these, there are so many things which I wish to do, but sadly, I can't do. That's all, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just. It's who left Miss Vaishali Rajput. Hi Vaishali, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm doing great. And you?
I'm also good. Yeah. Thank you. Go ahead.
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for giving me think about this topic. It would be really interesting. And if I think about this, I feel very good. Means, unfortunately, I don't do much more think for myself because whatever wants to for myself one day is not more enough because it will take time to improve or to enhance my skills or whatever I want to in my life. One day is not enough. And first of all, of course, I would be thanks to God if they choose me to this opportunity, and I for means I don't waste my a single second for what people think about me and what I'm trying to tease or chasing anybody. I don't care about them, but I know some people I know some people who are dishonest and who are lying, and I'm trying to for helping that people who wants to be who wants to be uh, क्या बोलता हूँ? I want to be help some people using my power, and apart from that I I go to of course I also want to go some places by air because it's my one of my dreams, and my money says so I go to Goa and enjoy my some hours to go there, and I screamed out at the public and I feel enjoy and I feel happy nobody seen me, and I full enjoy the day, and uh, I can't imagine much more things. क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर if I that wish is completed for one day, and that's enough because I believe I don't need this thing. I need that power to uh, enhance my skill and to improve my skill. So that thing I will do.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. You have good. Um, good thoughts that you. I mean, you. आपके में घी में शक्कर means like you have everything, right? Like.
I don't
मतलब
know
you.
what this thing
हाँ,
is.
I got it. I got it. मतलब you have. I think we call it silver steel,
Silver
gold.
spoon.
Silver spoon. That's a silver spoon. People who born in the good families and the rich family, what we call them, is to feeding with a silver spoon or something.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Silver
Okay.
spoon, something
Okay.
like that.
Okay. So I am sure this phrase is related to that you have a silver spoon in your mouth, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Something which you get, lot of things which you receive, without much effort. That I mean, God is in a very granting you very things that you feel like that you're very good and lucky enough.
Yes.
All right. Good, good, good. Good. Just in that, let me write it for you. Have you done from all that you, if you would like to become visible? Somebody was saying that I start that they want to the travel is common, which is absolutely. I would also like to wish to travel because you cannot travel anywhere, and in case you get that chance, it's good. And somebody would not like to travel, they rather would like to explore the same place and what they can utilize in a day, because they have only a day, they don't want to travel, but they would like to do the other required things. Somebody would like to know what the other people are thinking about them, and yes, pranks looks good as far as it doesn't hurt anybody. Pranks is good. Fun with the friends, I would say, on the lighter note, is also good. And travel, of course, and eating. Somebody wanted to go on the luxurious places. That also looks fine. All right, perfect. Okay, guys. See, the idea behind this, people try generally. If you go in the examinations in the big level examinations, when I talk about the UPSC and when I talk about the other reputed examination, people do ask these questions, and they generally check your personality, your way of thinking, your overall understanding, that what would you like to do, that what kind of feeling you have. So generally they put these kind of questions to understand. The idea behind this question is to understand about you if you go for the higher level positions, that whether you are only greedy. So the good answer is you can make a balance wherein you need not only say that I would like to do everything for my home. You can the mom if you can add few things for the mankind according to the job's role. Somebody is going for the UPSC and they wanted to become a DM, so they cannot only think about themselves. So if the overall thing, they will say that I would like to travel US, Australia, I would like to go 5-star hotels, I would like to eat a lot of food, or I would like to do these things, then it shows that person is somehow having a greedy or something, only this kind of thought process. However, the good answer would be, okay, as far as my personal requirement concern, I would like to travel quickly if I get a chance to go somewhere. My favorite destination is that I would like to travel. However, most of the power I would like to use for the mankind also, wherever whatever the problem is happening, if I can sort it out, if I can make something which I can solve their problem quickly without hurting anybody, that would also be my idea. The best, whatever I can serve quickly, or whatever I can make changes in the people's life if somebody is not well. So I would utilize my half day or some time in the mankind, wherein I would be going and visiting different families as quick as possible, and will try to bring some changes in their life. And rest of the time you can say that I would like to do a lot of things for my family also. So I would not, the idea is that I would not utilize this I would not utilize this power in the wrong way. I would not misutilize this power, because this power, if God has given you some power, that there is a reason that He has chosen you, right? He may give it to the any person. He may give it to the thief also. He may give it to the wrong person also. If you give the power to the wrong person, that creates a problem. So if He has chosen you that power, that means this power should not be misutilized. Yes, your personal um, requirement is always considered, that you wanted to do a lighter prank is possible. Yeah, you can joke what other people are thinking about. Yeah, in case if you think that that is necessary, that what other people are thinking, you can look into this. However, there are a lot of other things which you can bring, because people will remember you only after you you know what changes you have made in this world, how the other people felt. People may forget your name, people may forget a lot of things, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Okay, so these are the things people will always remember, that what kind of person that was, that time, and you spend, and whatever you've done for them, they remember, actually they don't forget. So these things are also you can include in that I will not misutilize this power for my own interest only. I will not be selfish, but yes, I would like to bring a lot of changes also in humankind. I'm sure God has given me that power because of that also. So yes, I'm blessed that I have that power. I would like to do a lot of things for me also, because if my family has some requirement, I would like to change and give some happiness to my family, my mother, sister, brother, and to my friends. I will do a lot of things. Apart from that, I would also love to do this problem for the mankind. If somebody is poor, I would like to do something for them. If somebody is facing a real challenges. There are a lot of people who are poor, but because of the poor on their own reason, because they don't work. But is there a lot of people who has the capacity, who has everything, but is still due to certain reasons they are not able to achieve what they actually deserve. They do work hard, they work very hard, but due to some situation, due to some lack of the the lack of facilities, I would say, in other words, uh, lack of guidance, lack of awareness, may sometimes mislead to them, and then they compromise in their future and career perspective. So if you wanted to do that thing, is also possible. But yes, your personal interest is also okay. It's your own personality. If you want to bring some changes in your family life, in your life, that is also a very, very good thought that you have it. Okay, so that is how it is. So whenever you have this tension, you can add some, that I would utilize this power for me, I would utilize this power for my family and friends, and I would like to utilize this power for my for the mankind also, so that I can bring some changes in the society, so that they remember me. And the God has given me this power just because to change others life also. So what is happening where the corruption is happening, where the people are doing wrong things, where the wrong things are happening, so that you can correct those things. You can either guide them or you can punish them, or either you can change, make some changes, bring some changes. I would say that if you bring those changes, I'm sure they will open their eyes and will think, okay, okay, now I will not do. So these kind of thing also can be attempted if in case you get power to get invisible. An idea is also one day or other day, uh, though it is just a fantasy thing that if you get invisible. However, in life also you will get as and when you grow in life, you will be getting a lot of powers. Okay, so the power, you may become successful, you become very successful, super ultra rich one day. So you can utilize those things, not only for your own interest. You can think about others also, what changes you wanted to bring in your life. So yes, your self interest is very important, because the people around you, your family, that is first priority, because your family is the first priority. Because your family is not happy, then you are not happy, then how would you bring the change in others life when you are in trouble? So first is your family, because once everything is good there, then you can move ahead, because it's one life. Enjoyment is very important. You should travel, you should work out, you should help others, you should eat good food, and you should have a positive frame, and you should keep learning the things also, because that is how the growth will happen. Learning is the only way. If you're not super ultra rich, then learning is the only possible way. Read a lot of books, watch a lot of materials which is useful for you, and which gives you some value, which brings some changes in your life. Okay, so do your own research. Whatever the career you are a graduate, postgraduate, or you're a doctorate, whatever career you are in, you should focus on that career, so that you can earn your bread and butter also and become an expertise. So it's never too late. Somebody will be feeling that, okay, now I'm married, I have a kids, or now I'm very old, I cannot do. These may be the mind blocks, guys, but it's not right thing. Yes, age matters a lot, but again, if you have a time, then why not? According to their age and according to their timings, there are a lot of careers, there are a lot of ways wherein you can explore and go, and achieve a lot of things in life. Okay, So that is about the topics, and let me discuss with a few things.
Sir, sorry for interruption. I don't understand how the invisibility helpful for our family members.
How the invisibility is helpful for your family members. Okay,
Yes.
good, good question. Okay, so say for example you are invisible.
Yeah.
Okay, you have all the powers, right?
Okay.
And okay, and now since you're living in this family since long, you know that what all the problems with your brother, mother, sister, and the relatives.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you know that maybe somebody. I'm just taking a whole common. If somebody, some brothers is, are struggling in the some study and something, or in the job, or in the something, or maybe he's looking for some guidance. He's doing a lot of hard work. However, he's not able to deliver, or the other family members are facing some trouble. Okay, which you are aware and you can help it. So you can find out those root cause. See, first of all, when we give this power, that doesn't mean that you will help. Say, for example, if no wrong things are allowed. So if your brother is giving some CAT examination, right, or UPSC examination, so I'm not asking that you go in the UPSC examination board and bring that paper. No, that's the wrong things. Then there is it would be uh, misguiding things for others also. If your brother deserve, that is personally you have to think about it, what your brother deserves is. So what you can help him, what you are doing for yourself, you can conclude him. Okay, if your brother or mother, sister, whatever person are facing some financial challenges, or they are not doing able to do a good business. Okay, so you need to find a root cause. If they do this business and this, you can reach to that person and can understand this thing. This is the secret of success. But you will not tell them the secret of success. You can give them the path, that this is how you can follow. This is the path. This is the right way. That I am sure you will get success if you follow that path. So if you have the power, you cannot reveal the secrets, because that will be injustice for others who are doing hard work. But yes, if you can give the guidance, if you can take them, what the mentors and coach and gurus does, they even they like their student, and they don't give them the the question paper and answer, right? But they guide them properly. They give them that path so that they work on. So you need to give them a path, Meenakshi, that this is the path of success. This is the path of the things. Because at the other hand, if I would say you that, if I would say to you that you have invisible, you can go anywhere in the bank and you can get hell lot of money, right? And then
Yes,
hell lot of
sir.
money you can distribute them. So that is your choice. I'm nobody to comment on this. Okay, so that is also a choice. If you feel that this is a feasible thing, you go to a bank and bring a lot of money and you can give to them. That is your personal choice. But you have to think about it, because money is, which comes easily, is not appreciated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if somebody become a efforts without the rich, without the effort, they will not appreciate it. So that is also very important. That is why in life, whatever we achieve very easily, we generally don't appreciate. That is why money has its own power, because everybody work hard. That is why it's valuable. Otherwise, it's not valuable if you get easily, right? It's not valuable. That the value is only because it allows you to work very hard. That if you work hard, then only you get. So that is valuable. So your wisdom you need to apply that time. Your own thought you need to apply. Whether I should help this person, whether he is really in trouble, whether he is really working hard, and what went wrong. So in that situation, you have to find the root cause analysis. You have to do that root cause analysis. That okay, the real cause of my problem is that person. Okay, the real
Yes,
cause
sir.
of the my is the money. But how would you earn the money? You can guide him for the work. Okay, you are a graduate, here is the job for you. And how would you get the job? You need to read this, because you have seen something for him. To give them a path, not direct money. It's your choice. I have nothing to do. You can have a lot of money to yourself, because that power belongs to you. If there is no terms and condition is involved, so it's your call. There is no hidden factor. I'm not going to give you the different gyan. Okay, do the only mankind. I think it's your choice, because if you have the power, you utilize it. You go have fun, go Goa, go US, do all the fun and do all the things that you have, because you have one day. But you have to understand that you have one day. So how would you like to utilize that? Whether you wanted to collect those things which you can make your life smooth further also. That's also you have to think about it. So either you can help them directly if your wisdom and your things allow, or if you can give them the path. If there is any condition is allowed, okay, you will not give them, you cannot you know directly benefit them.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
yes,
sir.
and obviously if you become a successful person, and then obviously the people around you will definitely get benefit. So you must have seen the people who are very successful, and the people who are surrounded with the successful person are also successful. So that also helps. It's not that people who are very close to any successful person, you will see them, they use their contacts, they use their guidance, and they become successful. You can take a lot of examples of any successful person. Their family members also successful, their friends are successful, their employees are successful. So if you make them connection, because they guide you how they become successful, and of course they will help you also.
Yes, sir. But I think it's a little bit boring also. Like you are going for Goa and nobody can see you, so it becomes boring also.
Yeah, you
Because
can.
you are going for enjoyment and nobody can see you, so it's little bit boring. I think
but
too much boring.
but it can be exciting also, because you can see everybody. Nobody is seeing you, but you can see everybody. You can whatever you want to go in anywhere, anything. What you want to know the secrets of any recipe. You want to see anybody, any celebrity successful thing of beauty. There are a lot of things, and the environment on the everywhere is possible, because it's your life. You want to know the secret. You want to have fun, not others. But it's okay. You have to make your day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Let's come to the feedback. Okay. Little bit of I will be talking on the feedback part, and accordingly I will be giving you the feedback and the ways to. The first person was Shivam. Shivam, you started your speech, right? Hi, Shivam, you there? You can
Yes,
unmute
sir.
now. Okay, Shivam, you have the potential to become a fluent speaker. There is no problem when you speak. You have a confidence, and you can phrase the sentences. The good thing is that you can phrase the sentence. You don't need to memorize a lot. The sentences come in your mind. That is very important for English. The only thing you need to work in the pronunciation part. So try and work more hard with Ashima in case you are in the voice and accent classes. If you are not in the voice and accent classes, and watch a lot of videos for voice and accent, and write different words on the Google Dictionary or Google Translate, I would say, so that you can learn the proper pronunciation of the words. It's very important. It will help you to give your speech a more impactful, more powerful. So the pronunciation plays a crucial role when you become a mature speaker. I would say by the time you will grow in your life, that will really help you. So the pronunciation is only part which I feel is need to work upon on your speaking part. Rest slowly and gradually you will definitely work on your fluency will automatically come to you. So you have already reached that point where the fluency is coming, when you can frame the sentences, when you can talk to me what I'm saying, you can tell that's good. Okay, so these are pronunciation if you work, and also you can add the to increase say any conversation is happening. In that conversation you need to uh, ask engagement. You For the more engagement you can speak more. You can put the questions to the other person. Okay, I would like to do that. You can ask the question from others also. So just make a habit to asking a few questions, just like, okay, is that okay, is that correct, or you want me to add more in this, I hope it's fine. These kind of phrases you can add it. Okay, just say for example, after the speech you can say, all right, that would be all. That would be all. and I hope this works. It is. You want me to speak more? I think that is only I would feel today. In case I have more thoughts, I will be letting you know. Okay. So these things, phrases, you can add more when you end the speech. And all right, thank you for this. Today I can only think about this, but it's a wonderful topic. It's very exciting thing. You can say it's really very encouraging, or it's really very exciting. Is a good word, because if I get invisible, I will be very excited. So you can use these phrases also. Okay, perfect. Hi, Joginder, you there? Okay. Joginder, first of all, your internet looks like you have a Wi-Fi that sometimes creates a problem. So you can have the good internet, which will help you with online classes. Should be very strong internet. Sometimes your voice was breaking, so that is how. Joginder, you need to work on the fluency continuously because your thoughts do come in your mind, but you get stuck that what to speak. Looks like that you sometimes think in Hindi, then you translate it. Maybe that's the case, that you think that whether it is a wrong way of speaking or is the right way of speaking. Do you think that way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before you speak, you have that, well, whether I'm speaking right. You within that seconds you think, okay, whether it would be wrong or right, right? You have those kind of thoughts in your mind. So forget about those thoughts in mind. How does it matter? किसको बुरा लगेगा? मुझे, शिवम को, अमन को, राम, मीनाक्षी, वैशाली को क्या फर्क पड़ता है अगर आपने कुछ लाइन गलत बोल दी है, कुछ ऐसा थोड़ा सा स्पेशल कुछ होगा तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा आई विल गिव स्माइल, दैट्स इट, बट इट्स ओके, टेक इट इजीली, टेक इट जॉली, टेक इट कूल, और फायदा ये होगा कि हम आपको करेक्ट कर देंगे. सो व्हेनेवर यू स्पीक फुल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, कुछ हिंदी के वर्ड यूज करो, कुछ इंग्लिश के भी करने, बट लगे कि थोड़ा सा आप उस टॉपिक्स को लेके एक्साइटेड हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलना चाहते हो, तो योर थिंग इज प्रोनाउंसिएशन बाद में आएगा. प्रोनाउंसिएशन अभी है ही, सबका ये दिक्कत होता है, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द नॉन नेटिव इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स. तो फॉर यू दैट फर्स्ट इंटरनेट तो फिक्स हो ही जाएगा. दूसरा, जो आपके दिमाग में एक थॉट्स को बिल्ड करने का जो एक हेजिटेशन है, उस हेजिटेशन को आपको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा कि मेरे को पहले इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में सोचना है, क्योंकि आप अपने आप को पहले सोचते हो, अपने आप से शायद बात करते हो आप, फिर बोलने की कोशिश करते हो. तो ऐसे मत सोच के सीधे सीधे आप सोचो दैट, जैसे जैसे आपको बोलना है आई वांट टू बिकम इनविजिबल, तो आपको थोड़ा सा थॉट हिंदी में आ रहा है तो क्विकली उसी को ट्रांसलेट कर लो, बिकॉज रियल टाइम कॉन्वर्सेशन में आपको इतना टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, जस्ट start saying anything, whatever is coming in your mind, that I want to go out, I want to meet my friends, I want to do pranks, I want these words you can use. I want to do that, I want to do that, I would like to do. So ये जो कुछ sentences और phrases हैं जो आप utilize कर सकते हो building the conversation. I would like to do that, I want to do that, I have this thing in my mind, I want to complete those things for my family, for my friends. I would like to travel. I would like to help for the mankind. I would like to help the city. These things you can add. How would the mindset of English will only come when every time you will think in English and listen. So you have to create environments that, the surroundings that nearby you. Keep doing the focus on the BTech or whatever you're doing in your education, but also whenever you get time, try and speak in English, because your books, I'm sure, would be in English only. So create an environment. By creating the environment doesn't mean that you need to find a lot of people who are speaking in English within yourself. Reading the books in English, watching the things in English, and whatever you could not understand, check on the internet what is the meaning of this, then implement it, note it down on the diary. So these are the things which you can do. This will help you to improve your fluency. The more practice, you need a more practice on the debate like this, wherein you can speak openly. Speaking are very important. So the more debate, I'll be giving you the more topics so that you can have a more speech. Okay, quickly. All right.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Ram. Ram, next was yours. So quickly, quickly I will tell you the feedback. Your rate of speech is high. You sometimes eat the words. That means you know, without complete the pronunciation of that word, you move ahead. All right. So stop rate of speech actually. And in other words, if I say I eat words, like I do not speak properly, if I say I do not speak, I do not speak, then I will move ahead. So don't rush. We are not in rush. Whenever you speak slowly. Rate of speech should be very, very normal. Okay, there is no need to rush. Generally, in Indians, we all have very high rate of speech. So the rate of speech you need to control on your rate of speech. So whenever you speak, you need to remember I will be speaking slowly, and then your words pronunciation will come in the right way. Okay, next one is Aman. Hi, Aman. Aman, English is good. You are on the right track. You have the phrases. You have the potential. You can speak a very good English also. You speak very less actually, so I could not judge you a lot. So I would suggest try and build more conversation, engaging things, how to engage in the conversation, how to speak more. Maybe you're new in this platform, that is why it was a thing, but otherwise it's okay. So I do not have the very detailed feedback for you, but since you speak very less, so I would say you can improve your reading parts. Once you improve your reading part, okay, the more thoughts will come in your mind. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
whatever
Okay.
the thinking you have, reading parts will help you to bring more thoughts, and also you can watch wherein the listening skills will work. So you can copy those phrases, then you can add in any speeches which you would like to use it, right? The use of board and use of like these things will help. The soft skills are required. Hi, I would like to speak on when I was on. I would like to go on the vacation, and I would like to enjoy this thing and this thing. Thank you. It looks a very exciting topic and all. Thank you. Would use. You can use. Think about this. I would be giving more phrases to you so that you can implement
Okay,
it.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Hi, Meenakshi. The confidence in you has increased very high level of confidence you have now. I don't see any agitation now. You go out, you can speak easily with anybody. You can communicate with the management. You can communicate with your team leaders, groups, and anybody. That confidence is very important thing for to go for a work. In case you want to go for a work, I'm sure you will be able to adjust in any organization. So that hesitation has gone. That the hesitation and fear of working with the people and the company, and your hesitation that has gone, which I can sense. The only thing which you require is more phrases to use in your
Yes, sir.
conversation. Yeah. So the more phrases you will add, this will help you to build the conversation. Just like you're talking to me, once you start, hi, how are you doing? Then I would say, I am doing very fine. Then you will ask, okay, how was the day? I would say, my day was fantastic. Okay, so tell me something. What have you done on the weekend, or what have you done yesterday? Then I would to tell you, yeah, I went for shopping, I went for grocery, I went for workout, I went for movie, I watched Netflix series, I took some sessions also online, I attended webinar and all. Then फिर आप वापस पूछ, oh wonderful, that's great. So how about this one? What was this webinar about? Tell me, I also want to join that. Then I will tell you, okay, this webinar about the English communication and the leadership skills. Oh wow, I also wanted to become a leader. And could you please help me with this webinar company name? I would like to join it. Yeah, Meenakshi, definitely. I will help you for this webinar link. You can join it, you will learn it. So adding these conversation are very important for you. So once you will add these things in one conversation to another conversation, so you will become easily a thing. And if you're looking to work in the organization, you can work on the writing skills also, because that is not tested yet.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
writing skills will help you. You can take the sessions with your trainer about how to write a good emails, what would you write to emails to the managers, how to use the greetings, how to reply, when not to reply, when to reply, these things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right. Then we have Vaishali. Hi, Vaishali.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Vishali, you have a good voice. That is one thing, and the people who have a good voice. They have a good chance of becoming a good pronunciation. So you will be able to cover up very quickly the pronunciation part if you work. However, there is no major default defect in your pronunciation. You are on the right. You need more practice only, and you need a kind of, if you want to grow, that you need to add more good English word, more vocab in your language. You can use a good powerful words. You need to use that more powerful words and a bit of energy. That, hey, I would like to tell you that I would like to visit to Goa, and I would like to use. I would like to enjoy there, and I would like to go for a beach. I would like to scream a lot. I would do a lot of pranks with people. So when you speak that, I should enjoy that things. What I mean by this is that you need to speak in a way that you are connecting me. Okay, not just like a
Okay.
speech, a normal thing that I'm saying I would like to go on Goa and I would enjoy. I will not take interest. But if you say like this, hey, I would like to go Goa and I would definitely enjoy it. So that real connection, okay? So whenever you say such word, to build a real connection in the conversation, that will come with a soft energy when you speak. I would like to go Goa and I would like to enjoy on the beaches. I would do the pranks with my friends. I will go for the best drinks. I will click a lot of pictures and I will spend my whole day enjoying. And I will then fly and take another flight to the Switzerland, to the US, or to the Africa or anywhere in the world. So use the connectivity that you are really. So whatever you're saying it. Say for example, you're going Goa, you're excited in mind, right?
Yes, sir.
When you go for a try, so that feeling should come in the speech also. Okay, it is in everything. Whenever you're speaking that thing, it should not be a very flat. Okay, because when I'm talking to you, I am taking interest in you, right? I can speak like a robot also, but I'm connecting you because I am just trying to connect with you with my eye contacts, when my one-on-one, by taking your name. So these are the things which you need to. English is not a very big problem, but the communication is a problem. The communication is not only speaking a good English. The communication is a something. Is a combination when you connect all the things. When you connect the person with you, the opposite person, when you connect him in the same language, in the same way, when you understand each other, when you make that connection. Because if you're talking to a customer, if there is a new client, if you have a very excellent English, okay, and you will come with the excellent English and you will show some attitude, hey, what would you like to buy today? That connection will not happen. But if you greet him, if you talk to him, hi, good evening, sir, welcome to the place, sir. Hi, how are you today? What would you like to have today, sir? Do you want some tea, coffee, water? Take a seat. So these kind of things you need to engage, because if you immediately come well dressed and ask the immediate question in good English, nobody will buy any purchase, nobody will care about you. But if you need to engage them, you need to engage him. You need to understand his mindset and build the conversation. So communication is the overall combination of your soft skills, of your customer service skills, your attitude, your behavior things, and your intelligence forward. Okay, that your emotional intelligence, your behavioral thing, it connects, because the more you can connect to the other person in your talking, that is how the good communication, whether it's in Hindi, whether it's in English. You see a lot of good speaker, they connect their audience, right? They use the Hindi word, they use the regional language word, they use good, memorable thoughts, and they crack a lot of jokes also, a lot of healthy jokes. Then they connect, okay? So that connection is very important. Whenever you're speaking to me, you come up with a lot of, that energy, not me, with anybody. This will help. This is all. This is actually for all of you, but yes, for you, because you can speak in English, so it would be good for you. But yes, speaking, I was expecting that you will be speaking a lot, because if you ask me that one day how would you do, I would like to do a lot of things. So you can cover from the morning till the evening till the night, that you have a one day. From morning I will go on beach, I will enjoy 1 hour there, then I will take another flight to Caribbean, beaches. Then I will take another flight to the US. Then I will go to White House. Then I will go to President House. Then I would quickly do some meeting with the poor people. Then I would like to do some problem solution for my family. So a lot of things you can, speak on this small topic. However, speeches were very less, thoughts were very less for all. But yes, it's okay, because so how you can, get more thoughts by thinking about it and adding more thoughts. Because if you start you can read more things. Okay, once you start reading helps you to increase your vocabulary, increase your phrases, and it gives you the more thoughts. Okay, what other person is saying. And don't be hesitate if one place you get hesitate, take a 30 seconds break and ask the audience, hey, give me 30 seconds, I'm just coming back, I'll be speaking more. You can use these things also, or you can interrupt, then you can speak again. Okay, so more whenever you speak in any public, spend some time at least, because this is online. When you go live, you will get at least 30 minutes there on the podium. When you public speaking platforms, you get at least 30 minutes. How it happens when you're on the seat in front of people, say for example there are 20 people in front of you, then the host will take your name, then there will be clapping, hi, welcome Vaishali, welcome Meenakshi or Shibam, Joginder or Aman, hi, then they will address you, please welcome, now they clap, then you will start a speech, you will start saying, hi guys, good evening to all, my name is Vaishali or my name is Joginder, I belong to Delhi and I am graduate, or I am a software engineer, and it is a lovely day today, and I'm very grateful to see you all here, all happy faces, and now it's about me. You can tell them about you. And I was very excited to be a part of public speaking. It gives me the great opportunity to learn, and I'm very thankful to the host or Dobby, the mentor you see there. You can ask good words for him. Hi, thank you, sir, and for the guidance. I have a hesitation to speak in front of people, and today I'm in front of you. I want to eliminate that hesitation. I want to remove that hesitation, guys. So that is how. So that if you go there for 4, 5, 6 times, then slowly and gradually, what would happen? That stage fear will be gone actually. So you are doing the nowadays practice. So in future, after this coronavirus, whenever you get a chance to join the workshop, please go. Sometimes we hesitate, we don't go there actually, but trust me, if you go there for take a 5 to 10 classes or 5 to 10 workshop also, there are a lot of free workshop, or only 200, 300 rupees event ticket is happening. Go there, see how the host, how the other leaders are speaking, and if you go there 5 to 7, or either as a volunteer also, if you go there 5 to 7 times, and when you feel on that podium and in front of 100 people, automatically confidence will come. And after 6, 7 attempts, when you 8 times at the time, 8 or 9 times, then the next time will come, you will see the wonder. Oh wow, you will see the new you. So these are the tips and techniques for the public speaking. And yes, you have to be talkative also. So whenever you meet there anybody, ask the question. Okay, be more interesting. Do not feel that the person is male, female, and gender. Be more interesting. Your personality. You should go anywhere. If you go in any workshop, first of all, make sure you should go well groomed. Try professional clothes like formal for boys. You can try, the formal shirt and formal trouser. It's if you do not have formal, do for smart casual. You can have a good collar T-shirt, and you can take a good neat and clean jeans. And the girls also, the formal clothes. I'm not saying that go with a tie and suit, boot. No, you can have normal clothes, neat and clean, normal good clothes, and wear in which you are comfortable. Okay, so then when you go there, talk with the people, ask them, hi, how are you, what is your name? Sometimes actually the problem is we hesitate to talk to others. What would he may be asking something, what would happen? So it's not a habit. So whenever you meet somebody, start asking the question. You become an interesting personality, ask them what the person is doing. So make a decent friends, have the good conversation. You never know, you meet a good people, and that's how we create a networking. So whenever there is a networking meetings on the webinar nowadays, or either when after this coronavirus 2-3 months, the physical networking meetings, education related meetings. Say for example, Aman, you are uh, educational counselor, right? So in the Chandigarh, Punjab, there would be a lot of educational meetups, right? In
Yes,
this
sir. Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
And this is a very good field actually, and Chandigarh, Punjab is the hub for the education also. There are a lot of universities, and entire Punjab is a well prosperous, the state, I would say, that prosperous state if you compare to other. So there are a lot of events happen there, wherein you can go and take participation there, see how the things are happening, how the host is happening, how the people are interacting. So when you start participating in these workshops, which is happening for education and other your hobby related sector, do participate there, because
Yes, sir.
that interaction will definitely help you. And even you need to pay 200-300, it's a very tiny money, but within
Mhm.
200-300 rupees events hote hain. In those events you will be getting a lot of confidence in you. So in case that is the only way to become a good speaker, and you will be learning a lot from the other leaders, vice chancellors, people will come, there's a lot of leaders do come, the good speakers come, their authors come, so you can learn. So join the events whenever it's happening in the city, and very soon things will be on the normal things will be in the city, slowly, gradually. Offices, earlier they were shut, now the government has ordered them to open, so you can utilize your time. Yeah. Hi Sangeeta, good evening, you're late. Hi Sangeeta, you're very late actually. We almost finished all the conversation, and today we discussed if you get power to become invisible, what would you like to do? Hi Sangeeta, can you hear me? Please unmute. Okay. Any other question, guys, you have for me? And I'll try to cover it in the next session also. And take more participants. Sometimes you feel very monotonous or awkward. Okay, क्या होगा पढ़ने का? ऐसा, nothing is working like that. But guys, this is the only way to reach the target. हमें चीजें, पढ़ाई एक ऐसी चीज है ना जो बहुत ज्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट टाइप नहीं है, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा फन नहीं होता, ये कई बार मोनोटोनस हो जाती है, बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट न्यू थिंग्स जिससे मोनोटोनस ना हो, बट योर motivation should not be decrease at all. You just always be focused. If we are not able to give you motivation, you yourself can try for the motivation thing. Okay, so if you have that passion in your mind, you will definitely be able to achieve your targets in life. Yes, Lokinder, you have any question?
Yes, sir. Sir, because of this grammatical rules we have learned that time, I am stuck so many times ki how to speak in front of people and remember all these things, ki what we speak in a right way. That's a main issue that time I face.
Your net is not problem. Can you say it
Am I
again,
audible,
please?
sir?
You're audible, but voice comes and then it gets breaking voice. Sometimes it gets. Say it again. I'll try to understand. Say it.
Sir, issue is because we have learned that time grammatical rule. सर अभी हम लोग सीख रहे हैं ग्रामर रूल, तो सर वही सर अब इंग्लिश में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं बोलते हुए थोड़ा डर लगता है कि मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ या गलत बोल रहा हूँ। ग्रामर की वजह से मैं बहुत अपने आप जो सोचता हूँ वो भी अटक जाता हूँ, मतलब माइंड में कि बोलना क्या है, तो इस चीज को कैसे रिमूव करूँ?
Okay, got it. See, first of all, Grammar is why the grammar is important. I'll tell you why the grammar is important. Grammar is not only important for the spoken part, grammar is also important for the writing things. Okay, if you write emails, okay, you should use a proper sentences. That is very important. So you should know if you are aware about that you are speaking wrong, if you are not using the right grammar, then it's a good thing. So taking the knowledge of grammar is very important, and because you will be implementing this grammar rules in the writing skills, because writing is one of the key part of the there are four part: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So writing is a fourth part of the English, spoken English and the communication, right? So that is very important, because otherwise people will laugh you if you use a wrong grammar. And if you're writing an email, one day you will work in any company, right, and you will be writing an email to your manager, and if you write a wrong mail, they don't like it. Actually, it's not appreciated at all, because there are a lot of people are copying that email. Then they will feel, okay, what's wrong with this guy? So writing is very important. Grammar is very important for writing also. Okay. Now coming back to your question, about that you have a fear. See, this fear will remain for some time. If you eliminate that fear so quickly, everybody could have learned this English very fast, okay, very quickly. So that fear will remain with you for some time. But the only thing is, if you keep doing the practice, if you keep doing the chapters, the lessons, the activities, you will be able to speak. So don't fear with anybody, right? They are not here to cut your job. They're not here to fine you for anything. Okay, we are not giving you a fine. So it's okay. Make your friends, and they make a nature of such kind that whatever is happening for the betterment for me, let them laugh. Okay, it doesn't matter, because after 3 4 years they will laugh on yourself and you will follow your journey. Okay, so this is your life, your journey. What others are thinking, यू योर सेल्फ ब्लॉकिंग योर माइंड कि आपको खुद को ही लग रहा है कि मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ, तो यू स्टॉप ब्लॉकिंग योर माइंड. ओके, I was also used to feel the same, and I used to fear it. Okay, am I speaking right or wrong? But I continued my journey. You know what? Rejection is the best way, is the best motivation. Okay, when people laugh on you, that gives you the best motivation. मैं आपको इतनी मोटिवेशन नहीं दे पाऊंगा. अगर कोई आपके कलीग ने आपकी गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे हंस दिया ना, वो आपको इतना बुरा लगेगा, वो आपको इतना मोटिवेशन देगा कि आप उसको सही करोगे और उसको दिखाने की कोशिश करोगे. ये होता है. People used to laugh on my pronunciation. Then I worked on those things. क्योंकि वो चीज हर्ट करती है. बट इसको हर्ट करने को यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक पर्सनली, though it is okay, because if you are wrong, you are wrong. You need to work on that. Don't have a grudge on that person. Let उसने बोल दिया, आप आगे बढ़ जाओ. This is your life, and if you can work on it, it's okay. And you should be thankful for that person. That person has pointed you that you were wrong. So rather than having any bad feelings for him, any grudge, you should be thankful for him कि आपके ने किसी का नहीं, क्योंकि आपके जो क्लोज फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना, वो आपको हर्ट नहीं करते, वो आपको कुछ बताते नहीं है. जो आपके अपोजिट्स होते हैं वो आपको भूल देते हैं. तो इसलिए ऐसी सिचुएशन अगर आती है, और अभी तो यहाँ पे इन्वायरमेंट टीचर, मेंटर और कॉलेज कलीग्स का है, तो यहाँ पे तो आपको जो भी फीडबैक मिलता है आप उसको लो. अगर आपने अभी हिंदी बोली, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा, राइट, सो यू कैन यूज इट. बट एक फ्लो होना जरूरी है. इंग्लिश के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको होना इसलिए जरूरी है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ जिम. आप वर्कआउट करने जाते हो तो आप डाइट फॉलो करते हो. आप जिस दिन वर्कआउट करने नहीं जाओगे, you will 3 4 days तक you can go in the running in the park, then you will feel lazy, you will sleep. But if you join a workout, if you join a gym, आप देखते हो ना, people who go for a gym, within a 6 month they transform their body. Girls who go for a gym, they transform their body. They eat good, they take care of the trainers instruction, they follow good diet. Why? बिकॉज उनको एक हैबिट हो जाती है कि यार अब मुझे जिम जाना है, क्योंकि उन्होंने पैसे दिए हैं, उनको लर्न करना है, तो वो हैबिट हो जाती है, इसलिए इंप्रूवमेंट्स आता है. सिमिलरली आप कोई प्लेटफॉर्म ज्वाइन करते हो तो वो आपको रूटीन में हेल्प करता है. अगर आप नहीं ज्वाइन करते हो तो एक नॉर्मल हो जाता है तो आपकी लाइफ में, फिर आप अपने कंफर्ट के हिसाब से करते हो. तो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट. फॉलो द डाइट, द एग्जांपल ऑफ द जिम. Here is follow your practices given by your trainers and ask many questions. Okay, do not jump also. If your trainer is giving you some sessions, do not jump, and so go one by one and trust your trainer also. But yes, if you have a separate feedback, there is also a way. Okay, hey ma'am, I wanted to say something that this is what is a requirement, and I feel like that I wanted to learn this also. I would really appreciate that if you can help me in this. Trainer will like it. Rather than disturbing her in middle of something will not be appreciated. But yes, once you finish, you can add your value. You can add your thought that this is what I want to learn. So it takes time, but don't think that Hindi, English, it's okay. English is just a language and it's a mode of communication. Okay, your real thing is what you're doing. You're
Okay,
doing
sir.
BTech. That is the most important thing. जो इंटरव्यू आपका होगा वो ज्यादातर आपको बीटेक के टेक्निकल नॉलेज के अराउंड होगा, इंग्लिश पे इतना ज्यादा नहीं होगा. बट यस, लैंग्वेज विल व्हेन हेल्प यू जब आप जॉब पे जाओगे, जब आप प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज और प्रेजेंटेशन मीटिंग और आगे जब ग्रो करते हो ना, उसमें काम आएगा. इंटरव्यू में तो आपके लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन और एप्टीट्यूड और प्रैक्टिकल ये सब ज्यादा आता है. कम्युनिकेशन नॉर्मल होता है उतना तो आपको आती ही है. सो इट्स ओके, आप इसको बर्डन की तरह मत लो. जस्ट टेक अ नॉर्मल डेज, भी यार मेरा 1.5 घंटे का सेशन है, इट्स जस्ट अ नॉर्मल थिंग, देन यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रो. If you get possessive for this, it will be a problem. So don't get possessive. Take a normal session like and work. That it is one of the subject. It is one of the class which I am attending along with my leader. Okay. Don't get possessive about it. And you all don't need to get possessive about the English. Okay, all the day English, English, English. No. Take as a schedule and enjoy your life. Eat good, sleep well, and read a lot of books and take session on time.
Thank you, sir.
Sangeeta, would you like to talk to me? You're late. Actually, I would want you to speak some words. Just a minute. Let me type message. She's not able to hear me. Okay. Anybody else? Then I'll be talking to Sangeeta once he, selects unmute button. Do you guys have any question? And in next session today, actually, I discussed half of the topic. I thought to give you the feedback also. Otherwise, I could have continuously talked on the topic if you become invisible. The feedback why I felt, because I felt that that way I asked you that you're open for the feedback in the group, but it's okay. You all have a good habit because we should be open for the advice, guys. This is one thing you should remember in life, that we should be open for the advice. Whatever the advice, if somebody asks you, hey, are you open for the advice? Say yes, I'm open for the advice. Yes, what is the advice? Like, then the person will tell you, hey, this is what the thing. It's a good thing. So next session we will be speaking continuously. Don't worry. Today I thought to give you some feedback so that you can utilize these feedback. And the phrases I will check and I will be sending you an email so that you can. It's a long documents. Let me check for you right away. I just saved actually yesterday. I was just browsing on internet and then I found it. Hi Sangeeta, are you able to see me? Not speaking. Just a minute. Phrase. English phrases. Okay, welcome to 500 Real English Phrases by www.s. Shania Olive. Okay. So there is a teacher named Shania from US or UK. She wrote 500 English phrases. So I thought it's good for you guys. Use one by one, okay? Not all in one go. So first, generally we get any PDF document, we scroll it, all the document, and we just finish it. So no. No, you can go through with all the PDF document, that's not a problem, but when you want to implement then you one by one. So phrases here is given like how are you, how is going, what's new, what have you been up to lately. और भी बहुत सारे हैं इसमें, like I really appreciate it, I'm really grateful, that's so kind of you, it was the least I could do, don't mention it, my pleasure, it happens, don't worry about it, I forgive you. Nice to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you, likewise, that's interesting. Because these phrases helps to start the question and to end the question sometimes, and in the middle of the conversation also it helps when you ask another question or you take the opinion like, hi, what do you think about it, what do you feel about it, what's your opinion, what's your views. So good phrases. Are you free this Saturday, are you free this Sunday, let me check my calendar, let me check my schedule. I'm crazy about a football match. I'm crazy about a cricket match. I'm crazy about this food. Where do you work? A lot of. I need a little help. Could you help me out? All right. There are many. There are 500. It will take a lot of time. But yes, the idea I just wanted to go through first before sending to you. These phrases, though are written there, but try and implement these phrases that where you can implement from the morning till night. Okay, so these phrases will help you enhance your English and enhance your communication when you speak. All right, guys, before we move ahead, that would be all for today. I hope you like today's session, and we will connect once again, I think, as per the schedule which you have. Okay, and do write a feedback to me in case you want to implement anything which you feel that this is missing and this is needed, because we are very flexible and we love to hear feedback from our participants, and we definitely like to improve in case we feel it's not that you say and immediately happen. Hope you understand there is an operation thing, it works, but yes, we value the feedback. So in case you feel that this is required, we will definitely do. Today's session was mixed of the topics and the mix of the feedback and other things which I wanted to tell you. All right, Sangeeta, you're still not talking, so that would be all today. In case you have any question, do write me. So can we end the session, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful weekend ahead and enjoy your time with the family. Yeah, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.